Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we are going to be making glitter slime, fluffy glitter slime. The ingredients that you will need: a bowl, glitter glue, lotion, shaving cream, hot water, and tool racks. So the first step that you want to do is, no, not that. Take your borax powder, tap some in, take something to dissolve it with, and then when it's completely dissolved, then you're able to move on to putting your glue in the. And you're able to fast forward this video if I'm going too slow at any points, and you're also able to pause it if I'm going too fast at any points. Now that it's fully dissolved, mostly fully dissolved, we can take our glitter glue, put some in here. I'm using red glitter glue. You're able to use whatever glitter glue you want. Now that we put our glitter glue in, now we're able to put some shaving cream in, or shaving gel. This is shaving gel, so. Now take your stirring spoon or something to stir with and mix the shaving cream in with the red glitter glue. Now once you don't see any more white or blue, whatever your shaving gel or shaving cream looks like, when there's no more of that, then you're able to move on to the next step, like this. See, that's nice. It turns into like a pinkish. Now you're going to take some lotion, put a couple of squirts in. I'm doing two because this one dispenses a lot at one time. And you're able to use any type of lotion in slime to make it nice and stretchy. And you're able to add fragrance oils if you like, or food coloring if you don't like the color of your glitter glue, or if you're just using normal glue. Now, you're going to take something, sorry, to take the borax whip and in here. Don't add a lot of borax mixture or the stuff you're using to make it slime. Add a lot of it at one time, because then it's going to be really stiff. Now, the perfect timing when you want to start kneading it with your hands is when it stops sticking to the edges of the bowl. Like now. It's not sticking to the bowl, it's kind of, but now I'm going to knead it with my hands. Oh, it's eating my spoons. Now just knead it with your hands. You're able to take it down and just add some more borax mixture to it. Until it isn't sticky anymore. Now be careful with the hot water if it's still hot, because you don't want to burn yours. What I usually do is I just drop the slime in the borax water, and it actually worked at one time, and it didn't become stiff. It was still nice and stretchy. And I didn't add any lotion, so let's see how that works again. Yeah, that's working. Then it's like a soft texture to it. So if you do that, see, it's still nice and stretchy. And it's not sticky. Well, it's still kind of sticky, but it doesn't stick to your hands. It still sticks to the spoon, right? So now you just want to add more of the slime that's in the bowl to the finished slime, and then all of that will form into the slime. Here's the slime and how it is. Turned out to be a pink glitter slime. Feels nice and fluffy. Just a fluffy slime. Now you're able to add stuff in your slime to make it nice and crunchy or soft, or just make it colorful. Now something that I like doing when playing with slime is doing the frozen yogurt. Well, I call it frozen yogurt. Some people call it unicorn food. Thanks for watching another one of Ryan World's video. If you want to see me make another slime, just comment down below what slime you want me to make. And also remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and thumbs up. Bye.